Hello people, for this round, we'll be showing you how to resolve when the Steam Webhelper.exe is not responding. Now, the first thing we have to do is let's exit Steam from the system tray and go to Task Manager just to make sure that the client helper is not in fact running. And right click on our Steam shortcut and you see open file location. Now it will bring us to steam.exe. Let's just go over to properties and go to compatibility. Now we have to tick run this program in compatibility mode, and we just tick run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Also run this program as an administrator, click apply, and once that's done, all you have to do is restart your computer, and once it boots up, it should be good. Now if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. If this helped you out, you could always leave a like, maybe subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time.